Okay.
This will be focus of today. So we'll correct your writing. There's something missing, information or missing here. You should good read it correctly the instruction of the exercise. What we should do? We should write about where. Okay, you have already done that, but you are given to say this avec qui, with whom.
Oh, okay.
Quelles sont vos activités?
Okay.
Okay, you have already done. It's okay. So let's
Mm-hmm.
correct it together.
Okay.
Yeah. Je suis venir. We can't say je suis venir. We haven't learned the passive. No, the past term. So we already use present now.
Okay.
Well, when we have learned the past term, we can use, but here I can't. Yes, here we can do that. Yeah, this moment. So you can just use present.
Je passe. Okay.
Yes, je passe les vacances. And with preposition, which preposition? Preposition à Grenoble.
À Grenoble.
Yes.
À Grenoble.
Cet endroit est magnifique. We can't say cet endroit because you have repeated twice a verb, and we can't use two verbs in the same sentence. Otherwise, you have users. Yeah. So you can see that. You can say cet endroit. This means this. Cet endroit. You can say this place is magnifique, or you can say this is a magnifique place. C'est un endroit magnifique. Or cet endroit est magnifique, but you can say cet endroit c'est magnifique because the twice verb is not correct. We don't say il y a froid. We can say il y a du soleil.
Oh, okay.
Il y a du soleil. But when you want to say it's cold, we should say il fait froid.
Oh, okay.
And aujourd'hui means today. Today, il fait froid with 7 degrees. And you say that il fait beau. Il fait beau is it's correct. You can use some connections to make it to combine two sentences. So you can say mais il fait beau.
Mais il fait beau. Okay.
Or it's cold, but it's a beautiful day. And we don't say fait cyclisme. We can say je fais du cyclisme, but it's not frequent. People say that. You say je fais du vélo. Je fais du vélo. Yeah. En ville, we don't say dans ville, mais en ville.
En ville.
Et je fais de la montagne. You always with de. We have already learned that. We should use de.
De, okay.
When you're the part, we have already learned that activity. Activité historique. Non, historique. Sportive. Ou activité culturelle. We should use faire plus de. Ça, je l'exemple. Faire du soir. Faire.
Faire du danse.
De la danse.
De la danse. Oh, ok. Faire de la danse. Faire de musique.
De la musique.
Oh, la musique. Oh, it's feminine. Okay.
Faire de la randonnée. Randonnée means hiking.
Randonnée means?
Hiking.
Hiking. Okay, hiking. Yeah, sorry. Hiking.
And faire du vélo.
Okay. Du vélo.
Okay, these are we have learned a lot of activities. Just so many. Yeah, there's so many. You should revise because there are some pictures. You say we have a lot of pictures showing the activity we can do.
Oh, okay.
faire du vélo, faire du tennis, du football. Okay, faire du yeah, faire a lot of things you can do. You can you can write. Okay, we can say there are three mountains in Grenoble. Le Vercors, la Chartreuse, et la Bédonne. And at the end, you can say à demain dans la classe, not au classe. Yeah, dans la classe, because we sit inside, so we should say dans la classe. You can say, yeah, demain à l'école. À l'école, you can say, but dans la classe, because à l'école, there's some open place. You can say à l'école, but dans la classe, the class is always inside, so dans la classe.
Dans la classe, okay.
Okay, so we're going to the chapter Dossier 4. This is the focus of today. We'll learn some expressions about how we say what time is it. And quelle heure est les horaires. So what time is it? How we say it? Quelle heure est-il?
Heures means hour. Lehoe means that also time or hours. Heures is hour, right? On the K, lehe.
Heure is hour, yes.
Heures is hour. Comment dit ohe en anglais?
Horaires, this is no schedule. Horaire, it depends. So for example, if you want to go shopping and you want to know when the shop is closed and open, so you can say opening hours, closing hours, beginning hours, or ending hours. It can be okay. I will check it. I don't know if perhaps timetable or something like this.
Okay,
Perhaps.
timetable.
Perhaps. I'm not sure. We can translate by this. Yeah, we can translate timetable.
Timetable, d'accord.
Quelle heure est-il? Heure, hour. Okay.
Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il?
Yes.
What
Quelle
time
heure
is it?
est-il? Yeah, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? This is the question. And then you can answer your question. The question. You can just read all of them, and I will tell you how to answer it correctly. Okay.
Heure officielle formelle. Heure dans la conversation. Il est 6 heures.
6 heures.
6 heures. Il est 17 heures. Il est 22 heures.
22 heures.
22 heures. Il est 12 heures.
Il est 2 heures.
2 heures.
We don't say that. Say this one, it's better.
Okay. Il est minute.
Minute.
Okay, il est minute.
Well, we don't say 0, but we can say 21.
24. Okay.
Il est 24 heures.
Il est 24 heures. Il est 5 heures 10.
Il est 5h10. Très bien.
5h10. Il est 19 heures 15.
Très bien.
Il est 17 heures 30.
Très bien.
Il est 1 heure.
Non. Heure est féminin.
Il est une heure. Une neige kahant.
Très bien.
Il
fois.
est. Ok. Dans la conversation, il est 6 heures du matin.
Très bien.
It is 6 hours in the morning. Okay.
Hmm.
Il est 6 heures du soir.
Très bien.
Il est 10 heures.
10 heures.
10 heures. 10 heures. Il est midi. Il est minuit. Il est 5 heures 10.
Mhm.
It is 6 hours this. Okay. Il est 7 heures et quart.
Quart, yes. Quart is.
Il est 6 heures et demi.
Mhm.
Il est 12 heures moins 20.
Moins 20, yes.
Il est 12 heures moins le quart. I don't know what it is.
You can see that. I have write that.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Quart is quart.
Quart equals. Yes, quart equals. Yes, quart equals 15 minutes.
Okay. Oh, we say quart. We say quarter, half quarter, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Okay,
half is demi.
Semi.
Demi.
Okay.
Mhm.
Demi.
So moins 20, that means you moins 20 that you take away. Take away 20 minutes, so it will be 30, 40. So those are moins 20 means.
Oh, okay. From 1 hour, you're taking 20 minutes. So it will be
from 2 hours. We take 20 minutes, so it will be 1 hour and 40.
40 minutes. Oh,
Yes.
2 hours
1 hour
and
40.
okay.
Yes, because you take away 20 minutes from 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
If you take away 15 minutes from 2 hours, so it will be 45.
Oh, this is confusing. Okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's just
okay.
This is the only difficulty. All other things are okay.
Yes, same. Yeah.
It's
2 hours more.
Yeah, just moins 20 moins quart. Moins 20 means 40. Moins le quart means 45. You should try to take the equation in your head, in your mind.
40 and 45.
Okay, here le B.
Laissez les panneaux. Panneau est complete.
Panneau is just some. Okay, we'll find out. Panneau, how to say that in French, in English. Panneau. Panneau with double N means board, a panel, a dashboard. A panel or dashboard. Panel or dashboard. Okay, it's a board. So, and you should complete it.
Pour exprimer une régularité. For explaining, exprimer is explaining, right?
Express.
Explaining the regularity.
Not to explain, but express.
Express, okay. Express. For explaining the regularity means
regularity.
Okay, regularity. Okay. Fermi, Dimanche, après-midi, et
so we should write
Fermi. Closed. Oh, okay. Closed le lundi.
Le dimanche.
Le dimanche, le lundi, pour exprimer une période de temps. De temps.
So how to say that? From to.
A.
No, from to.
De a.
Yes.
So okay, okay.
Can you read that?
With tant.
How to say half?
Okay, demi. With
So,
demi.
A demi. Don't forget the A.
With and demi. Okay, with a demi.
Mm-hmm.
This a demi. The lunti avantedi. I will try 40 here. So this if it is 8 hour 40, this no, this now mua.
We can't say this never. This too much. So if you want to say, okay, if it's this one, that's what you want to know. So you have to take this one. Take this one, and this 9h means 7h. So how to say that?
This now more like what?
We can't say this too much. This 9h equals this one. You should use
7 hours.
Yes, of course. This 9h is 7 hours. Just like a 22h is 10h. It's equal. So you should say,
morning 7 hours, right?
Yeah, you should say 7h moins le quart. We can't say 19h moins le quart. It's too much. You should say 7h moins le quart. That means this. If you use 18h, if you did 18h, 18h45. We can't say 19h moins le quart. It's not correct. So you have two ways to say that. If you want to say 18h45, you can say 18h 45 or ou 7h moins le quart. So when you use big numbers, you use always big numbers. If you would short numbers, you use short terms. This is a rule. We can.
Oh, okay. So if it is like 18 means it is 6:45 in the evening, but that is okay, right? Because what I understand in here we always say with 24-hour this one, right?
Yes.
We don't say AM PM much, so we say 20. That's why I got confused on this one.
We can say what? I didn't understand.
Actually, the September mole quat can be morning, right? Mata, right?
Yes, can be morning. So you can say le soir.
Okay, understood.
Du soir, plutôt. Du soir.
Du soir, okay. So only numbers till this we can have this moi va and moi la ka, right? Okay.
The same thing. If you want to say moins 20, you can't say 18h moins 20. We can only say 7h moins 20. For example.
Hello.
Tu m'entends?
Oui. Ah, oui.
Okay. So you can try this one.
Okay. So this is 19 is 7:40. with more le va.
Moins 20. There's no le.
Okay, more va.
Toujours le quart 20. Yes. Okay, so we can do the exercise to complete it. This one. Ah, je t'entends pas. Hello. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Connection is very bad.
No problem.
Okay. We can do this one, this exercise.
Ok, regardez les officiels pour compléter avec les utilisés dans la conversation. Il est 4 R et K. K means 15, okay. J'ai rendez-vous avec mon banquier à la demi. This is, okay, 16, 15. Il est 4 है 4 o'clock. Okay, 16:15. I have a rendezvous with my bank for half an hour. À la demi, from half an hour, or
What?
for half. No, banque à la demi, comme
j'ai un rendez-vous avec mon banque
banque
à la demi. Yes, for half. Very good.
For half an hour, okay. 8 hour, okay. Yitteh kahanda. T-U-A-N hitada.
You know, other way to say 8h40?
Huh?
There's another way to say 8h40. 40 is correct, but there's another way. With
Yeah. Naf Muava.
Very good. Second?
10:45. Diseh kahanta sanka u diseh kahanta sanka u this ons likah leswa. No. Likah.
Moins le quart. Don't.
Moins likah.
Moins is take away. Moins.
So till which number I can say this moins likah? Because this now we are not supposed to say, right? So till 12 or 13 hours?
After 12, you can say that.
After 12, okay.
So, for example, this one you can.
The third one, yeah, okay. 12 hours 30.
Yeah, for example, this one you can say. This one you have to say.
Only one option, okay.
No, just
12 hours.
There are 2 options.
2 options.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You can say il est. Can you try to do that? Il est.
Yes, il est 11 heures 45.
Midi.
Sorry,
or
12
heures.
12 heures 45.
You can say also. You can also say midi et 5. Midi 45. 12 heures or midi.
12 heures.
Ou midi 45.
Au midi 45.
You can also say il est
Il est 13 moins le quart.
1 heure.
Oh, il est une. Oh, une heure. It will be une heure or 13.
Yes, 13 is 1 heure. We can understand. People can understand.
Okay.
You calculate yourself actually.
Sorry?
Just actually we calculate in your mind.
Okay, une heure moins le quart le soir. Le soir we have to write, right?
This is not soir, this is midi and il est
Midi,
1 heure moins
okay.
le quart. 1 heure moins quart. Yeah, we don't need precise because normally the person are in front of you. He can understand.
Oh, okay. Now I'm confused. Like night also we have 12:45, right? Plus, okay.
So you can say that 1 heure. Yeah, we can do l'après-midi. We'll say
Okay.
de l'après-midi, 2 heures de l'après-midi. Yeah, we can say 1 heure moins le quart l'après-midi. De l'après-midi. Yeah, you can say that. De l'après-midi.
Okay.
But 1 heure moins le quart is very, it's close to midi, so I have doubts. But,
Yes. Okay.
Okay, can do the third exercise.
12 hour 30. Okay, sorry. This 12 tante ou il est une heure et demie.
Non, 1 heure, midi et demi.
Mi et demi, okay.
Midi et demi, we say that.
Midi et demi. Or it can be il est 12 et demi. Can we say il est 12 et demi?
Some people say that, but it's not very frequent. It's better to say.
Okay.
It's better to use numbers with numbers and terms with short terms.
Okay.
It's combined together.
13 hour 55. Okay. So 13 is une. Okay. Il est une heure. Okay. Une heure 55 or il est 13 heures 55. 55.
Another way.
Il est une heure 5 minutes less, right? So
that's not une, but you should add 1 hour. Yes.
Il est 2 heures.
Heures.
De heures. Moi 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes we don't have to write 5. Okay, more 5. Okay. 5:20 hour 15. So it will be il est 20h15 ou il est 8 hours. So Kata. Uteh ekata.
Écart.
Ekah. Or I can say 9 hour moi. Okay, that can't be said. Okay, sorry.
We can say moi.
Siho ehas.
Actually, from 35 minutes, you can say moins. But
From 35 minutes.
For example, here you can say. You can say. How to say?
35 minutes, 20 hours.
From 35 minutes, you can say moins. So,
okay, from that. 20 hour 40. So, ile naf have moi vang.
9h moins 20.
Il est 9. F we don't pronounce, right? 9.
V. We translate it.
V. Okay, 9. Okay, 9. Il est 9. Moi. Sixth one. Il est
24.
Il est Wang Katah.
Et où
il est sorry,
minuit.
Il
est minuit. Il est minuit.
Il est mini.
Midnight. Il est minuit.
Il est mini. Okay.
So there are three.
Okay. Minuit. One second. Minuit means midnight. Okay, I thought it is minute.
No,
okay, sorry.
minutes here.
Sorry.
Minute. Minuit. Nuit is night.
Minuit. Okay. Minuit, midnight. Yes. Okay.
So we have learned 3 vocabulary. 4. The first one is écart, the same thing, quarter.
15.
Demi is half. One like this. This is plus, moins. And the fourth vocabulary I have learned is minuit. Midnight. Okay, this one. Okay. We'll do some exercise. Perhaps we'll do some listening. Yes, we'll do some listening. And yeah, you can read the exercise and tell me what we should do.
Écoutez le dialogue et répondez. Listen to the dialogue and respond. And exercise 2. Écoutez le messager.
This one. We'll do the first exercise before.
Okay.
Because you can see that this is the first exercise with a number, CD number.
Okay. So, you're playing it?
Où sont Julien et Pauline?
Okay. Where is Julia and Pauline? Sorry, Paula. Pauline. Okay, Pauline. And when? Il parle de quoi? They are talking about whom? Or talking to whom?
No. Quoi means what?
Oh, sorry. I thought it is qui. Sorry. They are talking about what? Yeah, sorry.
Qui is who?
Yeah,
Who or whom?
sorry.
Okay. So let's listen it.
Dossier 4, à chacun son rythme. Leçon 1, au fil des heures.
Activité 1.
Ciao chérie, bonne journée.
Julien, attends. La poste. Il faut aller à la poste chercher la lettre recommandée. Tu as du temps aujourd'hui? Moi, je rentre tard.
D'accord. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une réunion jusqu'à 6 heures. La poste ferme à quelle heure?
À 6h30.
Oh là là. Et à quelle heure ils ouvrent le matin?
À 8h30.
Quelle heure est-il?
8h15.
Je dois être au bureau à 9h15. Ok, je passe à la poste tout de suite. À ce soir, Pauline.
À ce soir.
So, answer for one is à la poste.
You want to go to the boss, but they are where they are at the moment when they talk about Julien
Okay,
must
sorry.
go to post. That is his destination. But at the moment of the conversation take place, he's not at post. So
Can you just play 1 second?
okay.
Dossier 4, à chacun son rythme. Leçon 1, au fil des heures.
Activité 1.
Ciao chérie, bonne journée.
Julien, attends. La poste. Il faut aller à la poste chercher la lettre recommandée. Tu as du temps aujourd'hui? Moi, je rentre tard.
D'accord. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une réunion jusqu'à 6 heures. La poste ferme à quelle heure?
À 6h30.
Oh là là. Et à quelle heure ils ouvrent le matin?
À 8h30.
Quelle heure est-il?
8h15.
Je dois être au bureau à 9h15. Ok, je passe à la poste tout de suite. À ce soir, Pauline.
À ce soir.
Okay. So they are in bureau,
No.
office. Oh, okay. Oh, they are in home. Okay.
They're at home talking about because his wife asked him to go to the post.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Okay. It is Leçon.
no.
Oh God. Okay.
Pas de quoi?
I didn't get it. I thought it is there somewhere. I heard swa. So, and they're talking about some numbers, Wang Te, and also I don't know whether it is price or hair.
It won't be price. We don't listen euro. There's no euro, but heures, hours.
So okay, or hair. Okay.
Okay, we're listening together.
Dossier 4, à chacun son rythme. Leçon 1, au fil des heures.
Activité 1.
Ciao chérie, bonne journée.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Ciao, Shehi. Bonne journée.
Mm-hmm. Au revoir, chérie. Bye bye. Bonne
Mhm.
journée. Have a nice day.
Julien, attends.
Julia Atto.
Julien, wait a moment. Wait.
Wait, Julia.
La poste. Il faut aller à la poste chercher la lettre recommandée.
La poste. Il faut aller à la poste. Can you hear me? Impossible.